Alright guys, so it's that time of year again where I'm going to put my fabricated intake tube into my system here. So it's going to replace the stock intake tube, and I have found great gains on that. So the added piece this year is this 4-inch piece of silicone tubing that I found on eBay that goes over the aluminum tube, which should provide a lot more insulation and provide a lot better intake temperatures. So I'm going to go ahead and get this installed for you guys, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so now we got the finished product. It's installed. Here's the air intake sensor. 4-inch tube I grabbed. Installed nice and tight. So let's give this thing a cold start. Alright guys, so I slipped the 4-inch silicone tube on there, got myself an X-Acto knife, cut it exactly where I needed it, and it's always easier to cut it while it's on the pipe. Then, pull it off, it's all set to put my reducer on there. And it should be ready to install. Alright, there it is, fully assembled. This should work great.